Hi everyone, I am Ila Joshi from the Vinna Foundation. All those who have been following us on social media platforms know what all the Vinna Foundation is about, and September is the month for histiocytosis awareness. So today, on behalf of the Vinna Foundation, I am here to shed some light on the disease HLH, which is hemophagocytic lymphohistiocytosis. HLH is a type of histiocytic syndrome which is termed as an orphan disease due to its rare occurrence, which is about 1.2 cases per million population. Although these data do not paint a correct picture about the occurrence of this disease, as most of the cases go undiagnosed and unreported due to lack of awareness. So we are taking an initiative to spread awareness about this lethal disease and help save precious lives. Based on the etiology, HLH is of two types: primary HLH, which is an inherited gene mutation, and secondary HLH, which is triggered by some kind of external infection. Our histoangel Divina was diagnosed with primary HLH. She had a mutation for the gene STX11, for which she was homozygous recessive, which means she had two copies of the same mutation inherited from both parents. As far as the diagnosis is concerned, early symptoms mimic hepatitis and blood cancer. Although unlike blood cancer, this is not a kind of malignancy, although it's an autoimmune syndrome in which the body organ tissues are destroyed by abnormally activated immune cells. For identification of primary HLH, gene mutation identification is important, which is usually done by DNA sequencing, which is a time-consuming process. Primary HLH usually occurs in infants and children mostly. In case of secondary HLH, no known gene mutation is linked with the disease, and it can be triggered in any age group of individuals. Most common identified triggers for secondary HLH are fungal, bacterial, viral, helminthic infections, immune deficiencies or autoimmune diseases, kind of malignancies, and some kind of medications can also trigger secondary HLH. Currently, there is an emergent need to develop research laboratories and facilities to provide diagnosis for HLH, which otherwise have to be outsourced, leading to the loss of precious time. Along with diagnosis, it is important to distinguish between the two variants of HLH, that is primary and secondary. The DNA sequencing test is done for detection of the gene mutation, and biochemical cellular tests are performed for other quicker diagnosis. We must remember that first step towards control is diagnosis, which can be achieved sooner with expert guidance and awareness. Our aim here is to make sure that right facilities are within reach for those battling HLH. Please support us in spreading this information forward to help save many precious lives, and stay tuned for more important information regarding treatment of HLH.